Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today we've got Happy Birthday Nikki at Nikki Nails Love. This is an Instagram collaboration hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s and at Nail Gems. And our theme was patterns. Fun stuff. I'll be using Moonshine Manny, apparently, apparently, and the A&E Pro Choice nail tips today. I will be putting these on my fingertips at the end of the video. And this polish has a really good formula. And that's the first coat down. Now we're going in with the second coat. Such a pretty polish. I'm hoping you can get to see it better in the swatch photo or later on in the video. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat, get it to dry down so we can get some patterns on these nails. So fun. I will be using Beauty Big Bang Texture XL003 and Maniology Leather. Fun stuff. I've got out my Fab Your Nails stamper and my Maniology scraper today. Now, before I forget, I should have hashtags and links or, a list of participants down in the description box if you would like to go over and check out the other pretty patterned manicures over there on Instagram. So let's get this first one down. There we go. We got a little dog fur in that one. Typical. I'm cleaning off my stamper on a lint roller. And I'm not going to worry about cleaning the plate just yet because I'm just going to move all around this plate. I want different patterns on every nail. You guys know. It's kind of like my stamped Skittle or something. I just like to do it a little different. Plus, it gives me a chance to try out different images on these stamping plates. And I think they all look really good together. They kind of go together. And that's just what we work with over here. Now, as you can tell, leather actually has more purple to it. You would expect it to be more brown, and in the bottle it does look brown, but on the nails, after I stamp it, it takes way more of a purple, tinge to it than brown, in my opinion. But that's okay. I still really liked how this looked. We would definitely like to wish Miss Nikki a happy birthday. And I can't wait to see all the other pretty manicures. Especially the collages. The collages to me are so much fun. I just really like them. I'm going to flip that plate around so we can get to some of these other images on the other side. Get that polish down. Hang on. Sorry about that. We're probably one of the few families that still have a landline. And we don't really use it or answer. There it goes again. As I was saying, landlines. It's just ridiculous. We have one in case of emergencies and all that good stuff and, whatever. But, honey, nobody that knows me gonna ever call that phone number. So, anyway, pardon the ringing. I apologize. So, I'm cleaning this plate off with pure acetone. Again, with the pure, I don't know, just acetone. And I'm wiping it with the lint-free wipe. And we're going to make sure there's nothing on the back of it. I like putting up everything clean. I want it all clean for next time. I'm going to top these with the Maniology Smudge-Free Top Coat and seal those designs in without smearing them. Yay! And then I'm going to use some Seche Vite today as my final glossy, quick-drying top coat. Been a minute since I used this, so I thought I would break it out and use it. So here we go. Nice. Very pretty. Kept that free edge. And I've got a glue tab down, and we're just going to mush that nail onto the finger. And there we go. Here is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. And I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.